You were born to succeed. Get out of the rabbit hole, stop messing around and use your time wisely. If you believe you are capable of great things, attempt great things, then you will become great. Stop wasting money on pointless, unwanted junk. Save them microtransactions and turn it into the beginning of your journey. Stop arsing around looking for what to have for breakfast. Stop arsing around buying lunch. Get off your ass and make your meals before you go to work. Greatness lies within you, so stop wasting all of your money on all the pointless, unnecessary items. You can save over $20 a week from planning your meals ahead. Planning and preparation prevents a piss poor performance. Get organised and prepare your meals. Get organised and take a flask of coffee to work. Stop spending money on wasteful things. Stop buying takeaway food when you can cook for health and wealth. Give over buying your children unneeded sweet treats when they have them at home anyway. Stop! Why do you keep whining you have no money when every paycheck comes, you spend it without blinking an eyelid? Why? Let me guess, whenever there's a party offered to you, you feel obliged to go. Well, you don't have to. Stop being the sheep and become the lion. Every bit of spare money you have, no matter how big or small, start to invest it. I don't want your lousy excuses. Your car's broken down. You need to buy some clothes. You had to take your dog to the vets. Guess what, my friend? We all face challenges in life. Get over the mountain and start learning how to invest. You can invest in anything, no matter how small. Always invest in yourself. Education is your birthright. Stop wasting hours sitting in front of the TV, playing your PlayStation. Get up and learn. Buy and sell goods online. Learn a new trade. Save to invest on some real estate and rent out for profit, or even buy some gold. Invest in cryptocurrencies or the stock market. Do not, I repeat, do not make excuses because you haven't got anything or anyone to blame except yourself. Enjoy and embrace your well-deserved life, but everyone can begin saving now and invest into assets for themselves. And guess what, buddy? Life will bring you down. It gets the best of us at the worst of times. But you know what? We don't give up chasing our goals and aspirations. Replace I could or I should with I am. Thoughts and words are powerful. They lead to results. What you feel and think about, you will become. You are a positive individual. You are rich. You are a powerhouse. You are determined. You are capable of anything. You are incredible. You are unstoppable. Today your life will change. You are motivated to get up and put some hard work into making yourself financially free. Stop following the corporate rat race of working 9 till 5 when you can take charge of your own wealth. Save and invest.